Most traders don't realize this. What's up, guys? It's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist currently trading forex to fund my music. And the goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. It does a lot for the channel. Thank you. You are far too kind. Now, here's the thing: a lot of traders, newbie traders, make this one mistake, and that is they believe that there's going to be just one particular trade that will just change their life. One trade that will just, give them all the money they need, all the money they're looking for. And that is very wrong. You see, that is the mindset of a gambler. That means you're now gambling, because every profitable trader knows that trading is a game of how do I put it, compound interest, right? So you take trades, you lose some trades, you win some trades, but over a period of time, when you do it consistently, then you start seeing the interest, right, on the trades. So if you, for example, you take 20 trades, and let me even say you lose 10 trades and then you win 10 trades. With the proper risk management, you are going to be profitable. But if, for example, you have the mindset of, okay, I'm going to win this trade, and then you lose, and then you lose another trade, and then you lose another trade, and then you just stop trading, or you feel like, this thing is not working for me, then you will not be able to see the results that you're supposed to see in the course of trading. So trading is a game of compound interest. It's trading and winning over a period of time, and it starts to compound. And the cool thing is, the more you trade, the more experience you get, and the better a trader you become. So remember, guys, you're not gambling. Remember, it's over time, not one particular trade that will change my life, one particular trade that will give me all the money I need. No, it's over a period of time. Have that mindset, and then you are definitely unstoppable. Hope this helps you. Anyway, guys, like I said earlier, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share the video. Till I come your way again, peace out.